G'day guys, Greg here. Now, today I'm on my way to Domino's because I brought out a new product called pizza pots, which just so happens to be two of my favourite things. Anyway, let's whip on in, grab some, suss it out and see what the pizza pots are all about. Let's go! Alright, well here we go, the new pizza pots. $6 they cost. And they come in 3 different flavours. 3 cheese pizza pots, pepperoni pizza pots, and beef and bacon pizza pots. Now I decided to get the pepperoni ones today, because who doesn't love pepperoni? But there isn't a lot of weight in this at all. I'm going to open it up, pull one out, and then let's chuck it on the scales. Okay, well, here's the first look. Da, 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 da. Oh, wow, they are pretty tiny. They literally are like cupcake size. And if you want to know what size that is, well, you're looking at about 6.5 centimeters across. And on a lucky day, it might be 3 centimeters deep. Now the pepperoni pizza pots is a pack of crispy cheese-crusted pizza snacks oozing with pizza sauce, cheese sauce, mozzarella, slices of pepperoni and garlic butter. Now you can see the pepperoni on top there, which looks nice and looks like cheese underneath. And the crust, well, it looks like a pretty nice crust there too. Now, let's see how much one of these weighs. Okay, so 49 grams. Well, let's just try the others. 50 grams. 51 grams. So you're looking at around the 50 gram mark for these bad boys. Or 150 grams for the 3 of them. Now, this crust does look interesting. It does look really crispy. Smells pretty good too. Alright, let's try the crust. Oh, wow. Oh, massive cheese stretch. Wow. Oh. Oh, they're tasty. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I like that. Really gooey cheese. The pepperoni I'm not really getting, but man, it's got some really nice, intense flavours. And the cheese tastes really good. You can taste the garlic butter in there, even though it's not really that garlicky. But the cheese is oozing, and it's actually even better than what I was hoping. The flavour's really nice. I am really enjoying these. You get the pizza sauce, the cheese, delicious crust, and the pepperoni. Mate, these things taste good. I wish I had a pack where you could try all the flavours, but this pepperoni one tastes really great. Go away, fly. You're not getting any. You can see there with the sauce on the bottom and the cheese on top. And the crust is fairly thin too. It means it's nice and crispy and crunchy. And doesn't overpower these pizza pots either. Man, I am enjoying this. I wish I'd got more than a 3-pack now. Wow. These are super tasty. But I wonder what score I'm going to give it out of 10. Well, value-wise, 3 for $6. That's $2 each. I would have loved it if it was 3 for $4. But 3 for $6, mate, $2 each. Mate, that sounds fair enough. Flavour-wise, well, I love the flavour of these. The cheese in the middle is just oozes out. It's nice and stretchy. There's just the right amount of pizza sauce in there as well. It's got garlic butter. You don't really taste it, but I think it really does add a flavour there and an extra juiciness and gooiness to this. And the crust on it, it's really nice. I'm really enjoying this. It's one of my favourite snacks I've had from Domino's for a very, very long time. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the pepperoni pizza pots that I got today, mate, I think this deserves a... Oh, mate. That tastes sensational. 9.5 out of 10. Hey, these things are so moreish. I really could go another 3-pack, probably even 2 more. It's just really hitting the spot way more than I imagined it would. It tastes great. It's greasy and gooey and oozing. What more do you want? I think the only thing I can do now is go and try the other 2 flavours, because these pepperoni ones are great. But I've got a feeling that I'd probably be disappointed if I did try the other ones. But the pepperoni one, mate, this is sensational. And I know if you're going to get them, you're going to love them. Well, I hope this video helps you decide what to try, what to buy, and what to avoid. If you made it this far in the video, remember, show it some thumb and laugh. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I eat at Domino's. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are